So the problem that we are trying to solve is that as machine learning models are becoming more and more complex, they are becoming a black box. What does that mean? So, for example, let's say you're trying to operationalize a new lending model in a fintech company. Your business user, who could be a credit analyst or credit or a risk officer, might ask, how does it work? When would it approve loans? When will it reject loans? How do I know how to trust it? Right? So this is where transparency is very important. Your engineering team, that is responsible for maintaining the model, might need to know, how do I monitor how the model is performing on a day-to-day basis? How do I debug if systems are working fine? If there is any model performance issues, how do I debug? How do I understand if there is any drift? The distribution of data, has it changed? Is model actually performing the way I actually trained it before, or has it degraded in its performance? And if you have a compliance team that is responsible to make sure that you're building fair and transparent AI, they may have questions around, is this model performing equally well on males and females? Is it performing equally well on different demographics? So there is no good way for these different stakeholders to come and ask these questions and make sure that they can trust the AI model. And once you can actually help them answer these questions, then you can have them adopt your AI and machine learning models much more freely with a lot more confidence in their business use cases. And so this is the question that we are helping solve. So, if you are trying to operationalize machine learning models in production, how confident are you about its performance? Are you sure that it's running the same way that you've expected it when you trained it and launched it? Do you have the visibility about this, that it's actually working in the same manner? Is it biased? Is it accurate? Is it compliant? These are some of the questions that Fiddler is trying to solve. So we have devised a solution that has worked in the past for different teams. So for example, if you go back, 10 years ago, when product managers needed to keep track of product metrics and analyze how products are doing, tools like Mixpanel and Tableau came along, right? So you could keep track of, how is your business doing and all in Tableau and really answer anyone's questions quickly. And when the whole DevOps paradigm came into picture to monitor infrastructure and system level metrics, tools like Datadog and AppDynamics came along. Lots of teams benefited from having the visibility into infrastructure performance, system level performance. So now, what about AI and machine learning teams? Machine learning models are becoming a first-class citizen, right? They're the new code that is entering into organizations, and they're affecting all the business decisions and product decisions that your organization could be making. And so how do you monitor these models? How do you know if the model is performing as expected? That is where we are trying to help. We are building a system of record that helps these data science and machine learning developers to continuously monitor these models, to keep track of all of the model inventory in one place, to have visibility into how they're working, and in a visual manner, explain how they're working to a wide variety of stakeholders. So this is how the platform looks like. It's a highly pluggable platform. So we have customers who are building, TensorFlow models or scikit-learn models, PyTorch models, H2O models in production. They could be using systems like SageMaker, DataRobot in actually building and using automated machine learning workflows to build these models and deploy them into production. Especially SageMaker, which allows you to deploy these models on the cloud at scale and pay on the go. And when you do that, you want to monitor all these models, and that's where you can use Fiddler to seamlessly plug in to these frameworks as well as the data sources where the data is getting, where these models are getting the data, so that you have complete visibility into how your models are performing in production. And that way you can actually extract full value out of AI, right? So the whole point of AI is to improve your business process workflow, make better decisions for your users, reduce inefficiencies. All of that can happen when your entire organization can use that AI application that you're building in a trustworthy manner. And Fiddler will help you unlock that.